Hi everyone, how are you? In this video I will show you how to speed up your PC and how to remove junk file from your PC, and at last how to keep up your PC free from any virus. Okay, for this go to PC, C drive, right click, properties, disk graph, scanning, you have to wait sometimes. Okay, now as you can see, remove. Okay, delete, again disk clean off, system file, clean system, clean off system files. Okay, okay, delete, again, log system file, now more option, clean off, uninstall any software. Okay, okay, finish. Okay, now clean up bottom, delete. Okay, okay, okay. So 29 GB free of 190 GB. Okay, at first before 28 GB. Okay, thank you for watching. Please, if you feel like, please subscribe, comment, share.